welcome back to another video. Today we have a 20% off, a 25% off, and several other coupons that are worth getting this weekend. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell for more turbos to deals. First of all, we got this letter from Eric, founder of Harbor Freight. It says Harbor Freight tools, health, and safety of customers, communities, and our team top priority, designated essential business stores. Okay. As the COVID crisis continues, making these further changes to reduce crowds in stores, protect the health of safety of customers and associates. Shop stores, immediate needs. Okay, let's see here. On-store sale events postponed. So they are postponing the Black Friday, the Spring Black Friday sale that they usually have every year. They're probably going to postpone it to some other month. So according to the events here from the COVID-19 crisis. So social distancing will help make sure. Okay. Extending coupons, no price increases, all Harbor Freight products. 20% off coupons expire in April or May are now valid until June 30th. And during the non-increase of price. So they're not going to increase the prices, and they're going to extend the coupons that expire in April or May. They're going to extend them to all the way to June. So you guys have enough time to go get them online or at the store. But, just take your time. Don't rush it. Obviously, they don't want people rushing over and just pretty much spreading the you-know-what there. You got different coupons, books, emails, website during crisis, coupon books, emails. We will continue to deliver coupons depending on the lowest prices, the later expiration dates. Yeah, you know what? That's one thing I noticed that Harbor Freight is not sending all the emails that they used to send. They used to send like 3 or 4 emails a week. I don't know if you guys remember. I used to make all these videos with coupons and everything. They are not sending those. Who knows? They might start sending them now. But as in for this couple of weeks, they haven't sent any emails with any coupons. So hopefully they'll start sending those, so I can get those to you, and you guys could take screenshots of those coupons, like you guys are gonna take today with these coupons that I have. It says we'll continue aggressively clean, sanitize. So shorter hours. This is Monday through Sunday. 8 a.m. through 6 p.m. Sundays 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Allow extra time for cleaning, restocking shelves. It says special Easter Sunday hours. Order, give associates personal time. Easter Sunday stores will be open from noon to 5 p.m. So they're going to open from noon to 5 p.m. on Easter Sunday. So just keep that in mind. If you're going early, they're not going to be open. Understand these changes? Okay. So this is pretty much from Eric Smith, the owner and founder of Harbor Freight Tools. So we got that. All right, now on to their coupons. Yeah, like I said, I do have a 25% off coupon. If you guys read here, it says Happy Easter, 2 days only, Saturday, April 11th and Sunday, April 12th. 2020, 25% off. It says coupon code 371810 or 1041. So 37181041. And the expiration, obviously, it's only 2 days, April 11 and 12. So today, Saturday, and tomorrow, Sunday, 2 days only. So if you guys want to use this, I believe you can use this online. It doesn't say store only, so I'm pretty sure you guys could use this online. If you can shop online, obviously avoid going to the store, but if you have to go, you have to go. So just try and protect yourself at all times. Wear your mask, gloves, sanitizers, wash your hands, don't touch your face. Try to stay safe. The next coupon, we do have a free coupon. Pretty much Harbor Freight's been lowering the free coupons now. They haven't been pulling a lot of free items, coupons there. Lately, the only one we have left is this hockey puck light, the blue one, the work light. It's always a nice light to have. So remember to pick that up if you're going to drop by a Harbor Freight. And then we have some 20% off coupons. As you guys see here, it says 53 17 50 52 0007. So that is the coupon code for this 20% off. And I believe you can use a 25% off and a 20% off coupon. So I have a couple of those for you. Here's the other one. 34 62 72 14. So 34 62 72 14. That is the 20% off coupon. And then we got some other coupons. So yeah, just stay tuned to my channel. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and I will try to put out as much video, as much content as I can. I've just been super busy. Actually one of my trucks broke down, my work truck. So I was in and out of the shop, trying to get it fixed, trying to get it back to work. And that's where I've been. So I've been trying to get that done. And working as much as I can, because obviously right now there's not a lot of work out there, so I'm taking what I can. And that's why I haven't done a lot of videos. But yeah, I'll try to pull out as much content as I can for you guys, so you guys can watch. I know a lot of you are sitting at home bored, have nothing to do. But anyways, yeah, continue to watch this video. There's some more coupons, good items here you guys can check out. You guys feel free to use any of these. Take screenshots, picture on the computer, anything, as long as you have that coupon code. You can show it to the cashier or type it online to the website. Just go to harborfreight.com and type in the code when you have the item selected there. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, and continue to watch these coupons. Thank you.